Retro Car Dispatch presents the Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL 6.9 W116, 1975-1980, S-Class successor to 6.3 Legend. W116 flagship borrowed 600s enlarged 6.8-liter SOHC, M100 V8, 286 horsepower, 428 albeit FT, with Citroën licensed Hydropneumatic self-leveling suspension, 7.4's 0-100 km/h, 225 km/h top and 1,185 km/h luxury tank outcruised rivals. 7,380 built featured disc brakes all-round, independent suspension. Rust magnet but vault-like durability defined 70s excess. Discrete power endures. Click the link in the channel description and discover more retro legends on Retro Car Dispatch on Substack.